Alrighty, just received my Allison 1000 conversion kit for the 2006 Ram 3500 4x4. I did go with the stage 4 kit just because I do tow a lot with my truck, and honestly the 48 RE, it's alright. You know, I just want a 6-speed, honestly, and why not? All right, so here we go. This is an unboxing video, and I honestly have no mechanical background or anything. I'm just your average guy that likes turning wrenches. So, you know, and they say that if you can remove a 48 RE, remove and replace one, that you can do this. So we're about to put that to the test. And no, this isn't sponsored. No. They don't know I'm doing this either, so I didn't get any sort of special discount. I did buy it on Black Friday, so I did get their, I think it was 10% off. So yeah, this is just my experience with it. This is just all the hiccups and bumps, just in case anyone else wants to try this, because I really haven't found a good video with an Allison swap. And supposedly this is supposed to be plug and play, so there's no grinding of the block, there's no getting a different starter. It's supposed to be plug and play. The only modification that you are going to have to do after speaking with ATS is your drive shafts. So you're going to have to get 2 new drive shafts if you have a 4x4, or just one if you have a 4x2. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I probably should have, can I turn this? Nope, can't turn it. All right. So this is what it looks like. Obviously minus those 2 packages right there. All right. So I assume this is the dipstick. She looks good. All right, I'm gonna get a different angle. Update on the Allison install. So after unboxing everything, didn't come with a bill of materials or instructions. It did come with instructions for the transmission mount. But yeah, and it didn't come with the shifting linkage. You're supposed to receive a different shifting linkage, one that you can select the gears manually. And it didn't come with a transfer case adapter. But after speaking with ATS, I guess this right here replaces the adapter. They custom make this in-house right here, so it's just supposed to bolt right up to your transfer case, supposedly. But yeah, so they had me take pictures of everything and lay everything out like so.
Getting colder, summer getting warmer, tidal wave come across the Mexican border. Wide back gallon is cheaper by the barrel, just don't get busted singing Christmas carols. That's us, that's right, gotta love this American ride. Both ends of the ozone burning, funny how the world keeps turning. Look, Ma, no hands, I love this American